All right, so let's see if we can get these targets hit. Let's see. Because she was playing games all night. Hit them damn targets, dude. Hit them. Ah, hit them damn targets. She been playing all night with me. Oh, man. Oh, come on, dude. Hit them targets. And oh, you, oh no way, no way. Oh no way, dude. Ah man, ah man, ah man. Okay, okay. Oh man, oh man, dude, that okay. Oh man, that's all you can do, man. She's so good at that. There's no reason why she should be good, so good at that. There, it like, dude, the exact second where I was like, fine, I'll take some off right here. She runs away. Uh, you can't make this crap up, man. You can't convince me that the Nasdaq is not a living entity and her whole personality is just to fuck with you. I just won't believe you. I'm talking about perfect time, and I was gonna take some off right there. And as soon as I was moving it, she runs away. Man. eh, Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. I've already accepted it. If it comes back, it comes back. But I think the Bears got it for today, man. I think the market wants to finish that rotation down from Friday. It didn't finish, and the Bulls was trying all morning to push price up, but you know these Bears being real ramble right now. Hey, what's up, man? All right, thanks. Smith is on. Okay, no, that wasn't Smith. That was Market Edge. Oh yeah, that's Smith. What's up, man? Mm. Well, yeah, man, these Bears are being real ramble right now instead of just knocking this market down. Now watch. She ain't gonna completely fill this gap. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get into this range right here and we see a bounce before she completely fills this gap. I would not be surprised. That's just what the Nasdaq does. Hey, what's up, that Sax guy? What's up, man? Ah, come on, baby. Come on. You ain't gotta be this toxic this early in the week, man. Come on. Uh, come on, baby. Come on. Come on, Bears. Come on.
Hello.
Yeah, what's
You hear
up,
me?
man? Yeah, I can hear you now, man. What's up?
Alright, what's up?
You know how it is, man. Being a Nasdaq bear, man. It's hard for us Nasdaq bears, yo. It's hard. It's hard.
Oh yeah, I see your stream. Yeah, that's messed up.
It's hard being a Nasdaq bear, man.
Yeah,
Dude, like,
that's
man. Go ahead.
nah, that's what she does.
She definitely do, man. She does. Cause man, I was gonna take some off right here. And I thought about it and I was like, fine, I'm gonna take some off because she might bounce here. Dude, as soon as I touch my target and try to move it up, she did that. She ran away from me, dude. And I'm like, man, all you can do is laugh at that situation because, dude, how can you be
Yeah,
that toxic? Like, like, The Bears should be
Yeah.
able to finish their rotation here, and yet they're having a hard time as usual.
Mhm.
But what about you, man? You in some right now? You in this short, or are you trying to go long here?
Nah, I'm late to the party, so getting my getting my account set up.
Mm.
Another zero account, you know.
Mm. Come on, Bears. Knock this thing down. Shit, even the ES kind of doing that back and forth crap like the Nasdaq. I mean, I don't know who the ES thinks she fooling. I mean, you ain't about to trade about that high for real. So you just might as well just drop. It's just the Nasdaq. She will do it. And she thinks she can kind of mess somebody else's day up.
Mhm. You hear my daughter in the background or no?
No.
Okay. Because she's loud as heck.
So that's how good that software is, dude. That software is good.
It is.
That's why Nvidia makes all that money.
I'm sorry. Yeah. It's really good. I'm like, she's loud as heck. But y'all can't hear her, so that's cool.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear that though. Oh, you took that trade too, the tracks, Sax guy? You took that trade too? Yeah, yeah, I mean, this is dude, it should work, man, but I mean, obviously, the Nasdaq is kind of being nasty right now. Of course. Come on, baby. Go through that.
He being nasty.
Cause she acting like she knows she ain't about to make that freaking rotation down. Like she's about to fill that gap today. It's just that there's gonna be a whole lot of shenanigans before she do it. Oh, okay. No, I gotta, dude. Come on, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, I'm glad
Yeah,
to
I
hear
should
that.
wait till like 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock to fill the gap.
Yeah. Or probably like at the end of the day, once all the Bears has been clapped already. Ah, man. All right,
Man, I
man.
eat this last bite. Hmm.
Ah, all right, man.
Hmm. All right. Thank you.
I'm gonna probably
Here,
look
eat
to.
this last bite. Yeah.
I
I'm
pro-
sorry, what you said?
Oh, no problem, dude. I got a daughter too that does the same crap. Wants your attention at all times. But I was saying that if it gets to 9 o'clock, I'm gonna have to close this thing. We all know that algo's bullish for no reason. I'm gonna have to close it because it'll probably come back right to my break even just to make me mad. Like, dude, I'm up like $1,800
Yeah.
right now, man. But I want my targets.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hey, should I close this? Does this thing look like it's still going short, or am I tripping? It's close. Okay. All right. All right. So if this thing bounces right here, I'm gonna take. Oh my God, you bitch! Come on, like take this down. Take my targets, dude. I want to close partial, man. I do. I'll take off some if she doesn't drop. I mean, if she bounces, then I'll take some off right here. because I'm gonna have to. Because I mean, if they find support here at this little neckline, it's gonna bounce, man. So they need to break
I
through
feel
it.
like it's gonna drop. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna drop, but I would take some off just in case. We are getting close
There we go,
to
baby. There we go. All right, there we go. Took some off because shit, I'm over leveraged right now in a fucking in a 50K account. So that's why I'm tripping. I'm like, yo, hit my target. I'll take some more off here because, like I said, I'm over leveraged, man. All right, I can breathe a little bit easy now. I took some profits off. I can breathe a little bit easy. I'll take this off right here too. Probably take off. No, I'm gonna probably keep that one because I'm long or I'm short the Nasdaq and I'm short the ES, so I'm over leveraged right now, super over leveraged. So I was like, dude, just drop, like drop, so I can have some buffer room, so I can really start playing around in this account. Like, oh crap, I don't got the P&L. My bad, guys. Let me get the P&L up. Okay. All right, man. So it's definitely going to be all right. So did it bounce? Yeah. I'm gonna probably take. I'm gonna take. We'll see. I'll probably leave this one, but no, because I mean it's gonna fill that gap for sure. It's gonna have to be um patient on this one. It's gonna have to be patient. Probably put this one up here. Probably put this like close because man, dude, that shit ain't gonna fill the gap the first time. That would not be toxic of the NQ to not fill that gap the first time. She's gonna come into this range most likely. She's gonna trap some bears thinking that we're gonna get that drop down to this area right here, and then we're gonna see a bounce right back up into this range. That's what she does. All right, let's see it. You gotta watch out for that 9 o'clock algo. So around like 8:50, that's from what I've seen. That's when the market likes to set itself up for the algo. So we'll see what the market is doing around 8:50. If, like I said, if the market comes into this range by 8:50 and they hold it, I'm gonna be looking to. Well, I'll be out a majority of this position anyway. I will only have 2 left, and I can breathe a little bit easier because I mean the ES ain't gonna do too much. The ES ain't gonna do too much. I think we could see a bounce if price gets into this range right here. Honestly, I should probably just take. Well, I mean, okay, so on trading view or on my larger time frame chart, there's a big gap on the ES too. There's a gap on the ES from what is it? 841 to 856. But on my smaller time frame chart, I don't see that gap. Like it's not here on the smaller time frame chart on ES. Is there a gap on your chart?
On a higher time frame? Let me see.
Because on my on my 3600 tick chart, there's a gap there. All right, so there's a gap on your chart too? Okay. So I was like, dude, it's not. I don't see it on my chart at all. I don't see it on this chart, and that's why I got my target to fill that gap on the ES because I know that it'll fill it on the ES, but I don't think it's gonna fill it on the
Yeah,
Nasdaq.
I see a gap on the daily for the ES and Nasdaq.
Okay,
A
all
little
right.
small, not huge, but yeah, there is a gap.
Yeah, okay. All right. I was like, dude, this. It's like, what the hell? I was like, I know I'm not tripping. I know I see the gap right here. I know I see it. But I mean, obviously, it's not on the smaller time frame chart that there was a gap. Okay. So that's the bet I'm making on the ES today is that it's gonna fill that gap before we see any more upside. But if the ES, because the one thing that I do see on the ES that I'm kind of concerned about is that it has a head and shoulders pattern right here, and it's gonna be hard for the bears to break it if they're gonna come out weak.
Yeah, I mean, what time is it? It's almost
that time. Yeah.
And they looking like
They're
trying to find support.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree, man. That's why I was like, dude, we just need to get underneath that damn thing. I would be comfortable once we do that because I know the ES. I mean, once you break a low or a pivot point on the ES, you can basically put 100 contracts on that shit and go to bed and be comfortable because it's not going past it.
Go to bed and be comfortable.
You can go to bed and be comfortable on the Nasdaq, man. You be sweating, waking up every 20 minutes, thinking like an hour went by. And you look at the clock and it's only been 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Nasdaq shit. I was in this trade all night, man. A good thing I put my stop in the middle of this range and not at the top of this range like I was originally going to, because I would have got stopped out. I would have been pissed.
You trying to get down?
All right, so let's see what she does in this range. We got news. Oh yeah, we went over the CFTC data last night. We'll go over that again real quick. Yo, Gain Weight be talking. Like he is such a bull, man. He is a bull. I mean, like we get it. I mean, when you a swing trader like Gain Weight, of course everything is bullish because you can just like, oh, I didn't hit my target today. Maybe you'll get there tomorrow, maybe. But us intraday traders, we have to trade intraday, obviously. So I was talking about last night when I said this is the exact same data that we got before that big drop in August. So where is it at? It's almost identical. It's literally almost identical when we got that 2,200 point drop, and then we made that big retracement higher. Now we have a lot of volatile news this week, a lot, and so it makes sense that we're getting almost the same data, that there may be a big drop coming, and then after we get that big drop, we'll get a big pop up. Because right now the institutions are 52% or 51% long and 48% short. And where is it at? There was 51% long and 49% short. So, oh, that's 49, my bad. 49. So the information is almost identical. And you can see that they were net long, 2,600 net long, and they're 2,400 contracts net long here. So the CFTC data has not been wrong yet. It has not been wrong yet. All right, so I got that contract filled. Let's see. My like I said, I feel like she's gonna bounce in this range. Let's see if she does it.
What time is it? You think she's gonna bounce?
Hell yeah, man. Yeah, she gonna bounce. Hell, she gonna bounce, man.
We're almost approaching.
Yeah, that gap is all the way down here at 477. She's not gonna fill that gap. She's too toxic for that shit. She's too toxic for it. All right, so this is the time where the market likes to set itself up for that algo at 9 o'clock.
Fill the gap, baby. Fill the gap. I know. I was scalping short. I had a good position. Ah,
Yeah, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. I don't
had a
trust
good,
her. I'm just gonna take that.
had a good position. Position. Dang, I should have stayed short in that instead of taking the scalp.
Yeah, the Nasdaq, the ES is at its 10 points. Oh my God, when am I gonna learn with ES? Take it at 10. Take it at 10. When am I gonna
Yeah,
learn? When am I gonna
exactly. No, once you hit 10, usually a
learn?
wrap.
When am I gonna learn? Take it at 10. Take it at 10.
That's all, folks.
She gonna drop if I
Dang.
take it, man. She gonna drop if I fucking take it. She gonna drop. I know she is, man. She gonna drop if I take it, man. Nah, I'm gonna let it ride, baby. I'm gonna let it ride.
Damn.
Just be careful if you're trying to get long right here, or if you're trying to get short right here. She's too toxic to fill that gap on the first try. She's in an area of
I
support. This is where
know.
they gapped up. Just be cautious. Just be cautious.
I know. I'm out. I'm out. I'm not gonna. I'll wait until 9 o'clock to see how price reacts. That sucks because I had a good position considering now, looking back at it.
Where were you in at?
That would have, yeah, I could have passed that thing. But I was taking scalps, trying to be cautious, overly cautious.
Yeah, I mean, with the Nasdaq, you
I
got
was,
to be. Oh, go ahead.
like I said, I was late to the game, but 576 I was short initially, and then I had to caught like $200, 300. And then I re-entered again, and I was trying to. Oh, damn! I should have held that again, but it's all good. I'm gonna wait, see what how price reacts.
Yeah.
Because, like you said, clock algo is historically bullish.
Hell yeah. Even on red days, that shit will be bullish and then drop. It's like, oh yeah, it was supposed to be down today. Like that shit'll pop and drop.
Yeah. Yep.
And yeah, the Sachs guy, honestly, I would take partials on this if I could, but I used a different strategy with this one, and I forgot that this one doesn't have the partials in it. This with this strategy, it's originally just one contract, but at the time last night, I really didn't want to take the time to really build a strategy that didn't have a trailing stop, because all my strategies have a trailing stop on it. So this is the only one I didn't, and I didn't feel like making one last night. So I had to use this one. And I would have taken off like 10 right here. I would have if I could. It would have made me feel better. But yeah, at least I got paid on Nasdaq. Got paid on Nasdaq. So I mean, if it comes down to it, I'm gonna just have to take that drawdown and just be patient. Because the ES is feeling the ES is. It's highly likely it's filling this gap down here. Especially if we break this if we break 5 or 686 and then this little low right here. I mean, it might take all day, but it's gonna fill that gap. It might take all day, but it's definitely gonna fill that gap. Ah, shit. I'll see what happens when price gets back into this range, because it's highly likely that we probably see a bounce in this range right here. It's highly likely that we will with the ES. Nah, I couldn't do that. I guess I could do it, but if this thing hits my stop and then it drops, that is a great recipe for revenge trading. Actually, I guess, well, since I'm here, I might as well, because I don't have to watch the Nasdaq. I've already taken majority of my profits on the Nasdaq already. But I can definitely protect my Nasdaq trade. I've already made the money on it. Don't need to get negative on Nasdaq. Watch, you see what I'm talking about? You see how nasty she is and predictable that she is? The Nasdaq is so predictable and nasty. It's I knew she was not going to fill that gap. I knew she was going to come in this range and try to bounce. Nasty. Toxic and nasty. Hmm. So this is nothing one. So I can probably make a trade for the ES custom. All right. So if I got like what? Hmm. So what's a good target? Like 54 probably.
All right, we're getting close.
And if I had to put a trailing, well, I don't need to have a trailing stop at ES. I mean, you can just kind of get out, get in and get out. Yeah, we'll see. They kind of need to protect right here, 565. Honestly, I'll probably should. No, I'm not adding. I'm not adding to this position. I'm not gonna add to it because it's too close to this range, and it's easy for the bulls to just to find support here in this range. It's just too easy. But I still think that the market is still trying to make its rotation down to 408. That's where the Nasdaq is going to be done, completing its rotation, and then somewhere, if it doesn't stop here, this is the last line of defense for bulls. So taking a long here or somewhere in this range will be a great risk to reward long. It will be great because if they lose 360, 380, 360 again, shit, we lose that. We definitely, I mean, it won't be as nasty as the first time, but we can definitely probably see like 245, 165, or possibly a double bottom here at this low. So 380, 360 needs to hold again. But then 260 looks like a strong low. So probably like somewhere in this range, 325, 300, 295, somewhere in this range. If it drops, the bulls are going to have to hold that. And just like clockwork, the Nasdaq, you are just so predictable. You're so predictable. Look at all these trap bears that got caught trying to fill this gap at this range and now being used as liquidity. I swear she is just so toxic, man. She is just toxic, man. God. Mm. Okay.
Mm.
All right, so let's see if she'll drop right here. I'm not gonna add. I'm not adding to this position. That's too low for me. Look at the higher. Look at the hourly chart real quick. I mean, that's obviously bearish right there. So we may get a bunch of fake outs to the upside. That's definitely a bearish. That's definitely a breaker structure. And a good risk to reward short would be around that 612, 620 area because we got that breaker structure to the downside. They have temporarily found support here right at the top of this damn right at the open. But we do have the 50 EMA right there at that right at the gap. So I wouldn't be surprised that after we get that gap fill, we do see a bounce. My bias is that eventually we're going to finish that rotation back down to 400. And they're going to have to protect 360, 380, but 360 for sure. We can see it right here. They're going to have to protect 360 for sure if they want to hit the bulls, wants to keep pushing price higher. That's the line in the sand right there. This is the second line in
There
defense.
you go, ES. There you go, baby.
Oh, she dropped?
A little bit, and she kind of bounced again.
You can't do that to ES. You can't be. She's too shy for that. She's too shy. You gotta let her do her thing. You gotta let her do her thing. She's too shy for that. She's like, oh no, I'm not ready to go down short. The Nasdaq likes to get gassed up like that.
Yeah, I know, right?
Man, I should stop being greedy, man. I should probably take it at 20 points, man. I should take it. I should take it at 20 points, man. No, I'm taking it at the gap fill.
No. I'm shorting.
No, don't do it.
No. What was it? 650? It's going to 650. No, don't short it. No. I'm shorted.
I'm shorty.
The next thing you know, 500 points later.
Oh yeah, yeah, Alfred shared with us last night his performance. Like, yo, Alfred is killing it in his XFA right now. I'm gonna show it on stream again. He's killing it, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude, he's up like 10K in his account. 10K in his account, man. Alfred just killing it, man. Yeah, this is Alfred's account right here. Man, it's up like 9K, 100% win rate. And that's what I'm talking about. And all he's doing is just starting off small and adding to his winners. I mean, it makes sense, right? When you add to your losers, I mean, they grow bigger, right? So shit, why not do the same thing with your winners? Shit, why not? If it works with your losers, it should work with your winners too, right?
It should.
But it seems not to work. It seems not to work that way either. You add to your winners, and then they turn into losers.
No, right?
Yep. I blew an account last month doing that stupid shit. I was up trying to be cute. It's like, yeah, I'm about to add right here. I'm about to add. That shit came all the way back, and the Nasdaq was just so nasty. It's like as an example, let's just say I added to this short right here. Man, she came back and she blew my account to the tick and then went down. I was like, yo.
Dang.
Yeah. So I was like, man, adding to your winner sound cute until you actually do it, and it goes back to your break even. But yeah, it definitely works, man. Congratulations to Alfred.
Hmm.
All right, Marcus. So it seems like the market just wants to. I guess it doesn't know what to do right now. There's obviously a gap fill. Honestly, instead of trying to be greedy with the ES, man, because you know you're supposed to have taken it at 10 points, man. You know that it's supposed to be taken at 10 points. You know this. So let's see what they do right here on the ES. Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do here. I mean, you could kind of add on the ES. The ES is not as nasty as the Nasdaq. If the bears can hold this, this will be a great area to add to your existing position. If the bears can hold that, you know that this high right here is should be a strong high right here. Price shouldn't really trade above this high, and price really shouldn't trade above this high. So this range right here, the bears would definitely have to hold off, because if we see price trade back up into this range, I'm gonna get stopped out, and it's gonna be a stop run. So yeah, this is definitely an area where the bears should come in and they should hold. You know what, man? You know what? I, should I do it, man? Should I do it? Should I add to this? Should I add to
Yeah.
this? 73, 63. Hmm.
No.
Should I add to this? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so this is what I'll do. No. Hmm. No, I won't add to this. I won't, because I'm already in 25. Oh shit! Look at that. Oh man. Oh, hmm. I'm still not gonna add to it. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna be patient. I'll wait. But the Bears just need to hold this area off on the ES, because if they don't, then uh, price is highly likely to come back into this and test this range. Okay, so the Nasdaq did exactly what I thought she did. She bounced at this range and came right back to this one. Predictable. Okay, so let's just see if the Bears are going to hold this area off. I mean, it kind of does. It looks like that. It looks like, oh well. There it is. There's that drop. Yeah, I was about to say it looks like they're gonna hold this off. It looks like they're gonna hold it. So I mean, if they can push this down and we can get a break of 565, and then they come back and use 565 as resistance, then we can get that move down, and we can possibly get that gap fill and a possible finish rotation down here to 400. Hmm. If you look at the thing with bookmap chat, it's definitely a lot of selling in this area. They're selling this thing, but price is still obviously going up. So I guess as price is going up, people are selling into this move. Mhm. All right, so let me see if we can probably let's look at SPY real quick. Yeah, I hope so. The Sachs guy, I hope so. And these Bears just need to stop being all rainbow and finish this damn rotation like they did on Friday. We need this type of energy today. Finish that damn rotation. Honestly, I mean, it's not a surprise that we had a gap up on Friday. I kind of wish that these swing accounts I could we can hold them over the weekend, because if you look at it, when I was looking at the charts on Saturday, I was like, we're gonna probably get a gap up, because on Friday we had this head and shoulders pattern right here, and so as I let me so I'm gonna show y'all guys. I'm almost done with this project that I was doing. I was spending all this weekend. It took me about like 8 hours, more than 8 hours to just to get the pivot points down. So this is a second project that I'm doing. This right here, and I finally caught up to it. It took me all freaking weekend to finish it, but what I really want to accomplish with this sheet right here. Okay, all right. What the hell is my computer doing? Okay. Anyway, sorry about that. So what I really want to accomplish with this sheet is to kind of figure out like what times the market is like where it's historically moving, and these are pivot points. These little blue boxes are pivot points, and I like to because I'm trying to understand like what time the market likes to pivot, so we can focus on those times. And obviously, close to power hour, the algo 7:30, 8:50. Surprisingly, well, the 8:50 algo sets itself up for 9 o'clock. So we're not necessarily seeing pivots at 9 o'clock, but we're already seeing a lot of pivots at 9:20, 9:30 ish. Obviously, there's a lot of consolidation between lunch, but obviously you got the murder bot algo at 250. Obviously, that shouldn't be a surprise to anybody. So I'm still working on this thing. I'm gonna probably refine some of this as I go back over, because this weekend, my goal for this is to complete this week, but also kind of go back and kind of double check, pivot points, maybe take a few of this stuff off, probably set some rules, because this is just a rough draft of this. And by next week, this should be done. Or, yeah, it should be done. So this is definitely going to be beneficial to us. So we know what times to actually start to look at these charts versus sitting at these charts, staring at them all day and hoping and praying that when we get into the market, it's going to do what we need it to do. So that's something else that I'm working on. We'll get that shit done. Come on, Bears, knock this thing down. Yeah, that looks like that's going to fail. I would add to this if I can trust the Nasdaq. I would add to this if I can trust her. But that does look like right there. If the bulls don't hold it right there, if we see a red candle right here, if we see a red candle closing underneath both of those EMAs, you can see that there's nothing holding the market up. So this is the last hoorah for the bulls if they don't push it up. Mhm. Yep, Daniel, that's actually absolutely right. Hope is not a strategy. It's definitely not. Price action is, but yeah, I mean, if I could trust the Nasdaq, I would swing ES. I would never swing the Nasdaq. I would never do it. I mean, yeah, your account really has to be big enough for the random gap downs, the random gap ups. I mean, because if anybody was short this going into Friday's session, let's just say that they shorted this on Friday, and they thought that, oh man, it's going to finish this rotation, because I thought going into the weekend before seeing this head and shoulders, I thought that the market was going to gap down, and then we was going to get a bounce at around 400, 408, right around that area where they broke structure at right here. I figured that we was going to get a gap down, and then they would have pushed it, but they did the exact opposite. There's obviously this head and shoulders pattern right here. So we will definitely see if the Bears hold off this range. The Bears have to hold this range off. They have to. Because if they don't, then right here around 640, this will be another good area for, I would probably add to this position at 640. Mm. But yeah, they would have to hold this range off, man. They would have to. The Bears would have to hold this range. Mm. You know what, man? Mm. I'm gonna add to this. I'm gonna add. Mm, okay. I'm definitely gonna reduce a lot of this position down. Because the Bears, I mean, if the Bears are going to hold this, they have to hold it here. I mean, this has to be the area where they hold it. If they don't, then price is going to go back up. So they're definitely going to have to hold this. Probably put this. Mm, I mean, do I want to be? You know what? Oh shit. Mm. Yes, you're breaking my heart, man. I mean, like I said, I guess I should have took it at 10 points, like I should have. When am I going to learn with the ES? Take it at 10 points. When am I going to learn? When am I going to learn? All right, whatever. There we go, Bears. There we go. Knock this thing down. Knock this thing down. Okay. I'll be 70. Okay. All right, man. Okay. All right. So if the ES does not knocked down here. I mean, I do recognize that this is now bullish on the ES. This is now bullish on the ES. And that means it's going to probably be bullish on the Nasdaq too. Mm, okay. Probably put this yeah. Mm, mm, mm,
Yeah, bro. I was on the ES chart. I saw it was
bullish.
flipping bullish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cut it
That shit right back at my break even, man. I think
off.
this is the main reason why I don't like trading the ES. This is the main reason why I don't like trading
Yeah,
there. Mm. Well, I mean, like I said, I mean, I can't be too mad. I should have took it at 10 points like I'm supposed to. But it's just so hard to do. It's just so hard to freaking do 10 points. Just so hard. Mm. All right. So, I mean, the ES might just trade into this range because, like I said, it is trading in this big giant range right now. The structure is bullish right now. This is definitely bullish right now. You got them holding it right there. Oh crap! You got the bulls holding it, and you got your head and shoulders pattern. But then at the same time, you also got the bears holding it as well on the ES with its head and shoulders pattern. Because now the question is, who wants it more? Who wants it more? So we got two highs. We have a high and a low that the market, like once it trades above it, then we know who's in control. If the bears get a price to trade above that high, or the bulls, then it's highly likely to drop here, or we see a stop run higher. And the same thing could be said for this low right here. So we'll see.
Hmm? Go ahead.
Hey, what's up? What's up, Alfred? We was just talking about you, man, early in the stream. I was congratulating you about how you're growing your XFA by trading professionally, taking profits. Uh, yeah, I think I might have effed up on this one. We'll see. We'll see about how bad I effed up. Because, like I said, man, if we get a breakout out of this range and they find support in this range, I'm gonna close it because I know that I'm wrong. I'm not gonna sit here and allow price to come all the way back up and potentially stop me out. So that's what I'm watching for on the Nasdaq. The bears. I mean, it's crucial for the bears to hold this range. It's crucial. They don't hold it, then we're going up. It's this range right here. It's crucial. All right, we're starting to see the bears come in. Starting to see them come in. That's what I'm talking about, Bears. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Drop this thing. Drop this thing. All right, yo. If the Bulls lose this, yo, we dropping. We filling that gap, baby. We dropping if they fail to hold that. Yeah, yeah. Get him. Get him. All we just need is a strong red candle right here. That's it. We just need a strong red candle, and then we should be going for that gap fill and that range rotation back down to 408, 400. That's all we need right here. And I think we just got it. I think we just got it. It might be the Bulls' funeral right there. Follow through, Bulls or Bears. That's all you need. All we just need is that follow through. Mhm. All right. All right. I think we good. Now, only thing now is that the Bears, they got to break this level now. They got to break it. Come on. You can do it, Bears. You defended yourself at this range. You defended yourself. Just follow through. Mm. Let's look at SPY real quick because we can probably buy some puts or something. Yeah, I would probably wait to buy. Probably wait to buy some puts. Yeah, because the market gapped up. Probably wait to buy puts. Oh. If we can, hold on, let me see when we get the next major news because the market is definitely going to set itself up before that. So let's see this week. Let's see what we got this week. We'll definitely see the market set itself up. All right, yo, we got JOLTS tomorrow. Historically, JOLTS has been bearish. Super bearish. I don't know what it is about the JOLTS job opening. Every time we get it is super bearish. I'm talking about it gets so bearish to the point that it trades through support like it's nothing. We'll see if that historically continues tomorrow. But we got JOLTS tomorrow at 9. So we'll definitely be prepared for that. If the market is set up to be short, then my bias is going to be 9 times out of 10 short. We got that going into tomorrow. We got 3 more days until Halloween. Halloween is on Thursday. But yeah, we don't really got anything today. We got the JOLTS. We got consumer confidence at 9. We have some housing news at 8. We got GDP on Wednesday. Yo, we got so much volatility this week. You got to protect yourself for sure. Continuous jobless claim. We got core PCE. We got core PCE on Thursday. Yo, what the hell is going on this week? We got core PCE this week. We got non-farm. We got ISM. Yeah. I think we have Apple and Meta earnings on Thursday. Let's see, where is it at? And on top of all that volatile news, we got Meta, Microsoft, and Coinbase on Wednesday. We have AMD and Alphabet and Snap on Tuesday. We have Amazon, Apple, and Intel on Thursday. We don't have anything on Friday. I mean, unless you're an energy trader. I'm going to look at PayPal too. Let's actually look at PayPal. I'm going to look at PayPal because I remember that there was one earnings where PayPal, I mean, it went so under the radar and it just dumped, super dumped. Let's look at that real quick and see what it's looking like. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay, so PayPal. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay, so PayPal is pumping, huh? We got earnings. Let me see. Let's look at the daily real quick and see if it's about to trade right back up into an area of supply. Looks like it's going to fill that gap too. Looks like PayPal right now is filling that gap. Mm. All right. So let's look at that. Where is it at? Let's see how much this thing costs. Typical, the bears do not protect themselves, of course. All right. Like I said, if the bears don't protect this range, I'm gonna have to close out. I'm gonna close this one out. I'm actually probably put my I really want to see what they do here at this swing high right here. I'm gonna have to close it out if they don't protect this. I mean, it's highly likely that they might come back here to, but I'm not gonna let it do that. I'm not gonna let it do that. I'll just close out this position. So it could tap. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, yeah, it could. That's what I was like, it could tap this. Mm. But I guess in my mind, I'm thinking, well, shit, if you let it get up this high, then you might as well just keep it up here. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, the bears got to come in at this range, dude. I mean, they held this, so that's, I mean, obviously that's bullish as hell. Mm. Let me see what ES is doing. If ES is doing it too, then I know that I'm wrong. Okay, so the ES is still holding its range. So this could be a fake out. But if it breaks above the ES, I'm gonna have to obviously close this thing because the ES is taking out highs, then you're wrong. Mm. We'll see what happens here. All right. All right. So PayPal has earnings this week. Let's look at the premium. So right now, PayPal is looking like it's trying to fill that gap. It's looking like it's definitely trying to fill that gap. All right, so we got price trending down. It looks like they've already created a lot of support underneath this low. So 668, 68. Oh yeah, that's actually pretty cheap. So they got 68 puts for $10 right now. That's pretty cheap. But I'll wait until price gets to like maybe 88, 90. And we'll see if we can get that dumped down to 68, 70, because I think if we do see a drop at this area if we do see a drop right here at this potential area of resistance at this gap fill, well, I mean, it's gonna fill that gap. It's definitely gonna fill that gap. It's already there, so it's gonna fill it. But if we see resistance right here, we can definitely get a retracement back down to the 200 EMA. We can, I mean, especially with earnings. I mean, it's gonna probably do it during earnings. So I guess that's gonna be the gamble. And it's only gonna be $10. So I mean, if you're wrong, you only lose $10. But this is not financial advice. So we'll see. I want to see how it performs today, and then tomorrow morning at the open, I'll see what happens once it gets up into this area, and then I'll probably buy some 68 puts to kind of play the earnings. But if this thing is going to continue to go higher, I mean, this thing can probably go to 105 though, possibly. Let's see. Let's look at that. Yeah, probably. Okay, so yeah, like around 90. If price gets to around 90, yeah, I'll probably go short at 90. I'm pretty sure there's going to be some people up here at 90 that's going to want to take profits. And then we're pumping ahead of earnings. And it's running to an area of resistance. We'll see. Like I'll buy like a $10 put, and we'll see what happens with that. Let's get AMD real quick, because I was looking to buy some with AMD as well. Hmm. Hmm. All right, so we got price coming down. The bulls brought it right back into resistance. They filled that gap to the T and then it dropped. I mean, they're already holding the 200 EMA. So I'm thinking that it's going to probably want to hold this area and we can probably get a move up. I mean, AMD, I mean, the story is still the same. A female CEO, the world wants, I think they're going to pump this damn thing. Let's see how much 190 calls cost. Let's see how much it's going to cost for AMD for 190 calls. We got close to the election. They're going to think female CEO, female first president. They're going to want to pump this damn thing. See how much 190 calls cost. 190 calls only cost $20. So I probably, earnings is tomorrow afternoon. I will see towards the end of the day. I just kind of want the premium to kind of run out a little bit more at 190. I wanted to run out a little bit more because I guess this could go up to 216. Let's see how much the 216s cost. Yeah, the 216s are only $4. But I mean, I doubt that. I mean, unless we see some crazy volatility. But this thing is set up to pump. All right, so I'll look at some 290 calls or 190 calls at the end of the day, and I'm gonna probably take a bet on 190 calls. Probably by like they're $20 now. Probably by the end of the day, it'll probably be like 15 if the market doesn't move. So I'll just buy some weekly 190 calls for like $10. See if we can get paid on those by the end of the week. See if we'll get paid. I'm definitely once we get that gap fill and that finish rotation, I'll definitely be looking more at buying calls once we get that on the Nasdaq because I do believe that we'll probably see a bounce somewhere in this area. You know, she's killing us softly with this price action right now. All right, so we got AMD, we got Snap and Alphabet. I'm not trading Google. Google doesn't move. I'm not trading that shit. All right, so Snap. The only thing I don't like with Snap is that the 50 EMA is, or the 200 EMA is sitting right there. It's sitting right there at that area of consolidation. So if we see a pump tomorrow into this area, into this consolidation, if we see a pump right there, I'm going to probably be looking at some $9 puts. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. My daughter's falling out right now. We'll see. We'll see if price gets up here to 12. We'll see. I'm definitely going to be looking at some AMD calls for sure tomorrow. For sure. Depending on what we do today. And Snap. Yeah, $9 puts are not that expensive. We'll see. Ooh. So I'll be definitely looking at PayPal. I'll be looking at because PayPal is actually tomorrow. So I guess after the bell, uh, I might have to buy what I need to buy if I'm going to choose to buy. So let's look at PayPal for sure because I have to buy it before the end of the day, before the market close. All right, so we're getting the pump. Uh, PayPal is definitely going to fill that gap. I do expect for them to take profits at 90. I do expect for them to take profits at 90. Let's look and see what their previous earnings did. Hmm. It is going up though. Hmm. Yeah, we'll see. All right. Even with all of that, so I mean the bears are still defending this range though. Hmm. Oh man. All right. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, that's kind of crazy though, man. Yeah, it's definitely going down. That damn, that sure is looking like it's going up. Hmm. All right, so it looks like the bears are holding this range, at least on the ES. At least on the ES. Looks like they're holding on the Nasdaq too. Hmm. Yeah, I know, right? I mean, if they successfully held off this range, that's a good sign for us bears. They successfully held this range off because this was the make or break for bears. The make or break. So let's just be happy that they were able to hold this damn thing. Because now that gap fill should be assured at this point. It's at an 80% chance of getting filled. You was gonna say something?
I was doing my targets to get filled. These bears over here playing around.
Yeah, I know, right? Like, damn. Like, I mean, but I mean, we knew she was gonna do this crap. I know she was gonna do this crap. I should have just went long. I wanted to be wrong, obviously, but obviously, the Nasdaq is toxic, so she's gonna do shit like that. All right, man. I mean, at the the Bears have every reason to be successful right now, dude. They have every single reason to be successful. They got a break below VWAP, the 200, the 50, and the 21 EMA. How can you fail here? But the Bears will find a way.
You fell here. They will find a way, trust me. Garbage, man.
I know, right? I wish I knew how to quit shorting. I wish I knew. I wish I knew how to quit you. Nasdaq bears don't work. But it's definitely so addictive, man. It's definitely addictive. Like, I was actually thinking about this weekend about why I just love shorting, I prefer to short than the long. It's just the psychology is different. Like, and I actually was asking myself, like, what specifically does that mean? And when you're a bear, the psychology is mostly fear. That's that break we're looking for, baby. That's that break.
Finally.
I know, right? Finally got that break.
Should I get another one?
Yeah, I think we should get that gap fill now. It's kind of like, dude, it's because it's like when you're selling, when people sell out of their position, it's fueled by fear. That's why we get those big nasty drops, and it's like instant. Like in August when the market was dropping, dude, the Nasdaq literally dropped 300, almost 400 points in 30 minutes due to fear. It takes confidence to buy. Not a lot of traders are confident in their positions. It takes confidence to buy and it takes fear to sell. Obviously, fear is a much cleaner fuel for the market than confidence. And
I like that analogy. Fear is a cleaner fuel than confidence.
it definitely
And
is,
yet,
dude.
the market, it's crazy though, yet the market is near all-time highs. But that when that fear does kick in, oh, this is beautiful. Clean moves down.
Yep. We got that break, baby.
Hundreds of points.
Mm-hmm.
Hundreds of points in like 5 minutes.
Yep.
Yo, what? I love to see it. I love to be a part of it.
Yep. I mean, now I can reduce my risk because I mean, if the Bears fail here, then you know that they just suck. But 15, probably put this at 36. They're not supposed to trade above this high now. If it trades above this high, then you know it's going up.
About to rock bottom my daughter.
Messing with you? Yeah. That's why I keep my daughter in a separate room, filled with distractions. Leave me alone. Keep messing with me, you're gonna get adopted into a non-trader family. They don't trade over there.
It's filled with distractions.
One thing she loses
always.
attention on one thing, there's another thing to grab her attention. You were saying what?
Yeah, only parents with toddlers will understand. Traders with toddlers will
Trailers.
understand.
Yo, you always be coming on. Yo, that's so good, dude. Yo, that's good, dude. Let me write that down. Traders with toddlers. Yo, that's so good, dude. Traders with toddlers.
Okay, go grab it. I'll be down here. Go grab it. Go get your blocks too. Oh, okay, do whatever.
It does
Traders
get
with
that way.
toddlers.
Yeah, traders with toddlers. We've already got that trademark, so nobody don't use that. We trademarked it already.
I know. Yeah. Yeah, I'll stay away from it.
Traders with toddlers. Yo, man, before I had that room of distractions, like, dude, it's my daughter would like to come underneath my desk and start rolling and kicking and trying to get tangled up in the cords. And it's like, dude, get away from me. Get away from me. Daddy is in an emotional state right now. Get away from me.
Yeah. Yo, that's so true. Focus on that markers, and then you gotta deal with that.
The foolishness. It's like, dude, like, leave me alone. If I'm the most
Climbing on, I'm sitting down, trying to focus. He climbing all on top of me, like, yo, get off of me. I'm already mad that I'm in drawdown. Okay.
And then you gotta be sensitive because you know with girls they're gonna start crying. Oh, they're the victims, even though they're messing with you. Leave me alone. Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Oh man, my stomach hurts.
Words have never been truer. Yeah, I gotta sit here and draw down and watch my tone. She get all eyes get all watery.
Why is Daddy being mean to me? Because you're distracting me right now. Leave me alone.
Yeah, I'm in an emotional state. Daddy himself is about to cry. The market's about to make Daddy cry.
Daddy, what's the market? Oh my God. Okay. The Bears gotta hold this, man. They gotta hold this. Come on, Bears. Come on. Where's all that rainbow energy that y'all had earlier? Come on, man. I'm concerned because we got a double bottom right at this range. We got a double bottom right here. That's not good.
Here, money, build a city or something. Yeah, build yourself a city. Mm-hmm. That was a good laugh.
Yeah, we need those, especially when the Bears are acting like this, like they don't want to fill that damn gap.
Yeah. Goodness. All right. I passed.
You said you
Past
packed?
another 50K. I'd be forgetting that the drawdown. I say only 2K, but I'm used to having like higher drawdown.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'd be forgetting sometimes, like, hey, you can't be as
Aggressive.
gotta keep this. Yeah, gotta keep the stops kind of either tight or put it into profit.
Mm-hmm.
Nasdaq used to be forward.
You passed
Go
a U
against
profit
you.
account, or did you pass an
Yeah,
Apex? Oh, U profit. Okay.
Oh yeah, I do still got them Apexes. I got like 600. Let's see what I can do with that. Let's see what I can do with it. I'll get in there next.
Ah, man. And they probably won't. We'll see, man. I mean, with the ES, man, you're gonna have to kind of be strategic with the ES. She ain't the Nasdaq. She ain't gonna go all the way. So I was looking at the ES. I was like, well, I mean, it's gonna probably bounce at that gap fill for sure, but it could probably go back all the way down to 830 though as well. It could, but but it could also bounce at 858. I think. Well, we'll see. No, it's gonna fill that gap. I mean, it makes sense for it to fill the gap. Like it won't make sense for them not to. Alfred, he gets it.
It's like you said, they just, especially on the Nasdaq, they're gonna play around and then hit the gap eventually. But
Mm-hmm.
looking at ES, it did. There's this freaking demand established down here on the small time frame,
Mm-hmm.
and it keeps dipping into it and bouncing.
Yeah. I think on my other chart, it's bouncing at the 200 EMA. Yeah, it's bouncing at the 200 EMA on
Yeah,
the ES or on the 15 minute.
yeah.
Yeah, on the 15 minute, it's bouncing
The
at the 200.
downside potential on Nasdaq, I was looking for 480, but I'm like, I know she could do that, but I don't know. But they keep bouncing it at these. We got a resistance one. We got a pivot point down there at 523.
523.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Yeah. Yep.
Smaller time frames. Wow, that is nice.
Man, they're gonna probably bounce this damn thing. Freaking Bears. Come on, Bears. Ugh. Why is the Nasdaq like this, yo? That don't even make sense, man. Why is she like that? Why is she like this? The Bears, y'all have a clear objective. Ah, shit. Oh, okay. Yeah. You know what? All right, man. All right. I have to put this in profit. I see it. I see why the Bears are struggling. I see it. I see it. The Bulls are buying the retest. Damn it. All right. All right. They're buying the retest. Whatever, dude. Whatever. That's why they're not going for that gap fill yet. Because obviously this range right here is support. And this is the breakout because we got that gap up. You can see they bought the retest right here, and this is them making the second attempt to buy that retest. If they buy this thing, this will definitely be going back up into this range. Because technically, the Bears have finished their rotation down. Technically. And they technically got a double bottom. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. So all right, so yeah, I'll just put it above this range. I'll keep it above this range, above this double top. Because the Bears, they need to hold this right here. They have to. If they're gonna knock this market down some more. They have to hold that. But it looks like they're not going to, so all right. I hate to say it, man. I hate to say it, but it looks like the Bears are gonna fail here. If the Bulls can get a strong green candle right here, then yeah, the Bears are gonna probably get stopped out of this position. The only thing that's giving me confidence about this, that the Bears can probably keep taking this lower, is that the EMAs are flat and they're all hugging up against each other and they're not spread out. That's the only thing that's giving me hope in this short, or for a continuation in this short. Oh my God. All right, looks like they're holding it so far. Looks like they're holding it. You could see that continuation in that gap fill. Oh yeah, you said the high was like 26 or something? Pre-market high? Oh, well, that's not. Yeah, that was like 20. I put it right there. Yeah, 28 points of risk. 28 points. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna give this. I'm gonna only give this 28 points. You said it was 27? Mm, mm. I mean, but does it like would it come back up there though? Would it come back up here? That's the question. I mean, like I said, we got a double top here, so mm. And let's look at the higher time frame on this one. Ah man. Mm. Okay, yeah. I mean, mm, mm. Yeah, I think we just have to be patient on this. I think we have to be patient. Yeah, I mean they're not gonna. Yeah, they might. At least on the ES. I mean, we might get a bounce right here. I mean, am I being too greedy if I go past 20 points? I'm like, dude, they're gonna fill that gap, you know? They're gonna fill that gap. Probably get all the way down here to 41 at the open. All right, last week's close is gonna probably come all the way down here. Hmm. Let me look at bookmap and see where. Yeah, it looks like people are trying to bounce this damn thing at like 58.60 on the ES. Like as soon as it gets into this range, we'll probably see a bounce. Kind of like what the Nasdaq did. We'll probably see a bounce. Yeah, yeah, that's probably what they're gonna freaking do. Yeah, probably like I probably have to take this. I mean, okay, all right, man, all right, whatever, dude, whatever. I'll take it at 20 points because they're gonna probably bounce it in this area anyway. Gonna probably come in this range. We'll probably see a retest of this area, and then if I really want to come back in and reshort this, I can come reshort it at this breaker structure right here. Yeah, because they definitely gonna do that. Yeah, they're gonna bounce that shit like a 59 or some shit, man. Yeah, I'll just put it like right there. What is that? 60, 25? Put that shit at 60, 50 right there. Put that right there. Put it at 75 just in case. I just put it at 61. Remember, this ain't the Nasdaq. This is the ES. Is that a lower day? Okay, so I could probably put that right there. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna bounce it at they're gonna probably get a bounce. And then yeah, they'll probably come back in and yeah, a good re-entry short would be right here at this breaker structure on the ES at 868. As you can see that they've been holding it, 868. They've been holding it. So if they do bounce here at this range, it'll probably come right here, and the bears will probably come back in for a second bite of that apple to re-short it. Mm. Mm. All right. So I mean, at least they're holding it off on the Nasdaq as well. They holding it off on the Nasdaq. So all right. I guess this is what I'll do. I'll and I don't want to take two off though. And then it comes back down here and hit it. So I go into the gym in about an hour. So I'm gonna give this trade about an hour. If my targets aren't hit in an hour time frame, then I'm probably take two off if I'm still in profit. Yeah, that's definitely a freaking that's definitely a possibility, Alfred and Seppuku. That's definitely a possibility that they're hanging this over our head as a fruit. Because us bears know that we're gonna want to fill that gap, and we're gonna be stubborn about it. Shit, I'm being stubborn about it. I mean, even though I see that the Bears has finished their rotation, or they've gotten a complete rotation, is how I should say that. They've gotten a complete rotation down, and they got a double bottom. I mean, what else can a bear ask for in a bull market? But that gap fill, yeah, it's like right there. Hold on, guys, give me a second. Hmm. Yeah, honestly, might just close that ES trade at 10 points and just be done for the day. Because I'm not gonna babysit this damn thing all day. I'm not gonna babysit this thing. Yeah, I'll probably just close this. You know, honestly, what I should probably will do, probably will just close this damn thing or close out. You know what? Shit. Man, Bears, come on, man. Stop putting me in a position like this where I got to do the responsible thing and protect capital. Come on. Just hit my damn target. Mm. I mean, because there's really no point losing this whole thing. Damn it. Yeah, it looks like they're holding this damn thing. We don't kind of like, we really don't want to see the Bulls hold this. It would just be nice if they just kind of give up on this and let this thing rotate and continue down. God.
Yeah, I don't like this for a downside move. Like
Oh, my bad. I had to leave. My daughter's
I
having a mental breakdown right now for whatever reason.
oh, and here she goes. As soon as I say I don't like it.
Finally, dude.
Yeah, I think I like it.
Yo, if she bounces at this range again, I'm just getting out the whole position, man. I'm not dealing with this crap. I don't got to.
Yeah. Yeah, I just cut
Oh, you did?
majority of it. I got running, but I don't like it.
I mean, well, we'll see. I mean, I'm up like $2,700 right now. But I
What
have
you
to.
trying to get to?
No, I got to get back to break even because this is one of the accounts that got sacrificed on Friday because I went tilt. So, yeah. Yeah, this account got sacrificed.
No!
It hit your target?
No! No! I cut the whole position and then it just dropped.
Well, Smith, we appreciate your sacrifice. We appreciate your sacrifice. We appreciate your sacrifice. We appreciate your sacrifice, Smith.
Okay, I'll relax. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is some. Oh,
Come on, baby.
that's some stuff that makes.
Yeah, it's a recipe
That's
for
some
revenge
revenge
trade.
trade stuff.
Yep. Yep.
Oh my god. Oh, literally, uh, right after I pressed the button.
What made you close, dude?
Oh,
What made you close, dude?
oh, man, I told you I didn't like it from the start.
Mm-hmm.
It was already a risky short, but damn, and now I would have hit my targets and okay. Forget it. We gotta look for the longs now.
Don't look for the longs. Don't look for the longs. Man,
Don't
dude.
look.
Man, oh my God, you. Oh my God, you. Oh, God. Come on,
Look at
Nasdaq.
that.
Come
Don't look for
on.
the longs.
Come on,
Bro,
Nasdaq. Oh my God. Oh.
bro.
She was like, well, we got Smith. Let's get Sherm. Let's get him too.
We got him, boys. We
We
got
got
him.
him.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
He closed.
Oh, that's he closed. Dump it, pump it.
He bought. Dump it.
That's exactly what happened.
Bugged it off. He
Exactly.
did it. He sewed. He closed his whole position. Paint a blue flag. Hold on. Paint a bull flag and then dump it some more.
Nasty, nasty work.
It said we don't
He
want.
sold?
Go ahead.
No, that's just nasty. This whole move, it's just disgusting.
Okay, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Be nice to me. Be nice to me.
Absolutely disgusting.
Be nice to me, baby. Get out where I want to get out at. Oh, you bitch. Oh my God. Y'all see that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I gotta trail this, man. I can't let this come back on me. I can't let it come back. I can't let it come back. This is the ES we're talking about. Oh, no.
Yeah,
No.
man.
No. I can't let that come back on me on the ES. All right. I'm out the ES. All right. I'm out. Now everything relies now on the Nasdaq. I just need $800 more. That's it, and I'll pass the account. Please, Nasdaq. Please, don't be nasty. Please.
Yeah, I think y'all gonna run these lows now.
Yep. This is what being a stubborn bear gets you. Your target's hit, baby. Your target's hit. But yeah, actually no. Being a stubborn bear gets you clapped majority of the time.
Yep.
Man, okay, I'm gonna take one off right here, man. She playing. She playing. Man, come on, Nasdaq. Man. Okay. All right, man. All right, I'm gonna give her 5 more minutes, man. Let me see if this works. God damn it. Now I'm out of the position. Now I'm about to go long. I'm going long now. I guess reverse
Join the
psychology.
party. I'm already there, baby. I'm already there. I'm already in there. Come on, Nasdaq. Hit my there you go. Thank you. That makes up for that nastiness you just did to me.
Ah, man.
Yeah.
I can't let this come back. I can't let that come back. I was hoping to pass that account, but yeah, congratulations on getting that though. Getting that shit back in blood. Good thing I took it off the ES. Good thing. Oh man, look at that. But this is a good re-entry short if they hold it. But that's too low to buy, man. That's
It
too
is
low to
actually.
buy. That's too low to sell.
Yeah. Ooh, man. That
Oh,
was some nasty, nasty work. Ah,
I got 4 on right now. Let me think about this. Let me think about this. Let me think about it. Let me think about it.
all right, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Get it back in blood.
Okay, let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. See if we can. Dude, that's short, dude. Man, that's gonna go
why
short.
you why you why you switching it?
I don't want to take that on the gold though. Hmm. We'll see. All right, so this could be. He said, "Why am I switching?" I'm not necessarily. I'm not really switching though, for real. I'm gonna keep it. I just have gold and CL on just in case, like in the nighttime, we can possibly get a entry on either one of those instruments. Nasdaq, Nasdaq. It would be so nice if you won't stop me out and you would just keep, selling down. All right. All right. So I got to make a decision right now because I'm almost out of time. Uh, Either I keep my stop where it's at and let this whole position ride, or I take some of this off. Hmm. And get some of this profit.
Guess who re-entered short at the top? I get it back.
You holding it this time or what?
Huh?
You gonna hold it this time or what? I mean, I think I
Not
was.
gonna hold it, and I don't even know. Nasdaq too wild to be for real, for real.
Nah, I'm not. Like I said, I'm okay with what happens with the ES. I'm okay. I made my money. I'm in short on my swing account. Maybe I should take it at 50, but I'm gonna leave it where it's at.
Come on.
Yeah, I've already taken off. I've taken off my ES trade already, but I'm going to probably take. I'm gonna probably take that. I'm gonna probably take that because they keep bouncing at this range. I think what I'm ultimately going to do is if we can get a break of this, because I got 5 more minutes. I'm gonna see what it does in the next 5 more minutes, and they gotta jump in this meeting. I'm gonna see what it does in the next 5 minutes. If we can get a break of this range, then I'm good. If not, then I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at. And you can see if you can get that gap fill. Where's that? Where's the gap actually? Yeah, I think we should get it. Come on, baby. Be nice to me. I didn't trade no other instrument but you today, Nasdaq. The ES said, hey, you can trade me today if you want. I'm in a good area to short, but I was like, nah, I'm loyal. I only talk to one instrument, and that's my baby Nasdaq. Shit, she might take all my money if I trade somebody else. That's how crazy she is. She go through my logs and see that I traded ES, gold, and CL last night. Shit, she might require my whole account after that. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I mean, like I said, if I see a green candle, I'm cutting it, man. I'm not playing this stupid game with the Nasdaq. I'll play it. Got 3 more minutes. Yeah, because if we get above this at 565, then it's definitely gonna go back up into this range for sure. If they can find support above that level. Okay, we finally got that break. We finally got it. All right, I'm gonna just reduce this because I'm not playing this stupid game with the Nasdaq, man. I'm not gonna play it, man. Man, come on, bro. I'm not playing this game with her. So I've guaranteed myself at least 30, 40 points.
Whoa, hold up, whoa, what was that?
What was what?
What? That drop and then pump right back up.
The bulls are in this range, man.
Yo,
Because the bulls they bought
yo.
right underneath this low right here. You can see that they swept the liquidity, like they ticked it right at that gap up. That's why I was like, man, if they don't break below this damn thing and fill that freaking gap and stop playing.
Yeah, the bulls are there, but I want 500.
Yeah, me too, man. Like, damn, give me my damn target. Shit.
I'm a protect it. I want 500. Just letting y'all know.
Yeah, I got mines protected too. I mean, I guess as long as I keep my stop where it's at. I mean, if it gives me an opportunity to kind of get more out of this move. But if I see a green candle, I'm cutting, man. I'm not playing this stupid game, man. Well, and this is why you hold till target. Look at the ES. You hold till target. I should hit my, well, yeah, it hit my target. I mean, I'm not going to cry about it. I mean, I left 3 points on the table. But we'll see. I'm still in it short on my swing account, baby.
Yeah.
All right, man. I ain't playing this game with Nasdaq, man. She played too damn much, man. She played too damn much.
Yeah, I'm all out. I'll take the dub for the day.
Yeah, I mean, I'm up. Yeah, I'm up like $3,400 right now, so I shouldn't be really complaining. But I kind of wanted to. I got my money back from going to it on Friday. I'm up $2,200 in this account. All I need is $800 more. We can get that shit tomorrow, I guess, or tonight.
Yeah. I was about to say you doing a
Oh yes,
pre-market session.
Shit, that's now every day, cause yeah, I don't know if I told you, but the reason why I started doing the pre-market stream is because I found myself trying to hide from the pre-market and talking about, oh, I should wait till the New York Open, blah blah blah. And I'm like, no, we're not doing that shit. We're going into pre-market.
I mean, you can get, if you got a sense of which direction it's going to head towards in the New York pre-market is great for setting up.
Yeah.
Or setting up your position for a longer term hold.
Nasdaq, please. Let me just do this right
like
there.
You can catch bottoms and tops of the pre-market when it goes into New York.
Yeah, that's just now the goal with the pre-market stream is to try to find an entry pre-market, because I mean it's hard to find a good entry New York, because most of the time New York is for continuation for real. But that good entry is in pre-market. I mean, by the skin of my teeth, it didn't stop me out on that. All right, then I'll probably give myself one more point then. Because I really don't want to take this. I want this damn to hit my damn target, man. That's what I want. Damn, by the skin of our teeth, man. Skin. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'll take it. She tried to be nasty to me before. And yeah, they're just holding this range. I mean, yeah, the Bulls find support, then yeah, they're holding this damn thing. The Bulls just need, or the Bears need to trade through this, and the Bulls just need to give it up. ES. Yeah, the ES bounced it right at 61, but I think the ES is trying to get back into this range as well. But I'm done with the ES now, so I don't have to worry about her anymore. I took the profits.
Dang, the ES didn't even make it to 60.
Nah, it bounced at 61. The ES can be toxic like that too now. All right. All right, guys. I gotta jump into this meeting. I think I'm gonna probably get stopped out of this, but hopefully the Nasdaq will be very merciful for this and hits my target and not my stop. But all right, guys. We'll do this again in the pre-market. With that said, peace out. Okay. I guess.
All right, later.